Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction move. And today, guys, we're here with the African giant. Yeah, Burna boy with one called Big 7. Yeah, Big 7, Burna boy. Let's jump in on here with the 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, because you don't know me now, wasting time with it. So let's get it, man.
Big 7, Big 7, Big 7, Big 7. First of all, rest in peace, Virgil Abloh. Don't spill no drink on my clothes when I'm Louis V dripping. Don't like stress in my dome. Straight to the head when I'm 19.
That song again.
Yo, Burna boy go straight in. Burna boy. This is one thing what I like with Burna. Burna doesn't waste no time on a fucking intro. The man just, as the rhythm start, him ready. Yeah, attack. Ready.
Big 7,
Big 7.
Big 7,
Yeah.
Big 7, Big 7.
Wu-Tang.
First of all, rest in peace, Virgil Abloh. Don't spill no drink on my clothes when I'm Louis V dripping. Don't like stress in my dome. Straight to the head when I'm 1942 sipping. Been wavy since morning. Not to talk to me in public. Mix my drink with a little money. Smoke my weed to declare, oh.
The boss a floor, the dog. The boss a floor.
Big 7.
Floor. Burna boy touch any genre and just fuck it up.
Big 7,
Any genre and fuck it up.
Big 7,
Big 7. Yeah.
First of all,
R.I.P.
rest in peace, Virgil Abloh. Don't spill no drink on my clothes when I'm Louis V dripping. Don't like stress in my dome. Straight to the head when I'm 1942 sipping. Been wavy since morning. Not to talk to me in public.
Man say, yo, me been wavy since morning. Now evening, brother. You still can't chat to me. Been wavy before the money. Been wavy before. You know Burna boy.
Like stress in my dome. Straight to the head when I'm 1942 sipping. Been wavy since morning. Not to talk to me in public. Mix my drink with a little money. Smoke my weed to declare, oh. Lamborghini driver, Ferrari 458 Italia.
Lamborghini driver.
Mix my drink with a little money. Smoke my weed to declare, oh. Lamborghini driver, Ferrari 458 Italia. I really spent $1 million just to Richard Millis, and now I'm willy-nilly to the city.
Bumbleclad. How much you spend on some Richard Millie?
Oh, Lamborghini driver, Ferrari 458 Italia. I really spent $1 million just to Richard Millis, and now I'm willy-nilly to the city.
Man saying spend $1 million on 2 Richard Millie. $1 million on 2 watch. Fucking hell. Living expensive. Even his piss is expensive, cause he might drink the dearest of the dearest. Yeah. No H2O.
I really spent $1 million just to Richard Millis, and now I'm willy-nilly to the city. Wavy since London, wavy since Berlin. So no they talk to me in public. I'm in a different place. If you see me tonight, you can clearly see that I've been wavy since morning.
Where you fit? Yeah.
Alright, R.I.P. to sit to put your hand.
Yo, the boss, I big up the legend in my past. Big up the boss, brother. Big up the boss. The boss, I big up the legend in my past. I can know say, yo, you're not forgotten. You see me? Homage. Respect.
You can clearly see that I've been wavy since morning. Alright, R.I.P. to sit to put your hands up, reach for the roof if you know you fuck with me. Don't like squares in my crew with my
Hold on, make it Mr. Party. Yeah.
Alright, R.I.P. to sit to put your hands up, reach for the roof if you know you fuck.
I mean fuck with him, so I put me hand up. What you mean? Black Club Burna.
R.I.P. to sit to put your hands up, reach for the roof if you know you fuck with me. Don't like squares in my crew. If I call you my brother, then you best believe you stuck with me.
If me call my brother, then best believe say you stuck with me. Me not call anybody my brother. But once I call you my brother, best believe say me mean it from the bottom of my heart. You stuck with me. You don't have no choice, brother. Me not disrespect you unless you disrespect me. That's what the G say. So big up yourself, Burna.
5 squares in my crew with my ball. You my brother, then you best believe you stuck with me. Been wavy since morning. I no go feed save you from nothing. So I beg you no disturb me. I know they carry overload. Get to gospel preacher, 2-time community service preacher. Right now I'm chilling, but my niggas getting busy in the city, spinning till late to see for the listen. Wavy since London, wavy since Berlin. So no they talk to me in public, no they talk to me in public. Wavy since sweet to me in public, wavy since Sweden, wavy since Paris. So no they talk to me in public. I'm in a different place. If you see me tonight, you can clearly see that I've been wavy since morning.
Yeah.
Big 7.
Big 7. Clad. Yeah. Big 7.
Big 7.
Yeah. Big 7. Clad. I just said Burna. What you call it?
Big 7.
Yeah.
Big 7.
Buster boss. Big up Buster. Clad. Fast through this video. Your name Buster. Yo. Big up Burna. Burna do it, bro. Anything Burna touch right now, fuck you up. Anything him touch right now, him fuck you up. No joke. Like, we hear him do a collab with Byron, and him did the song justice. Him shell it. Now him back over here to be normal Burna. Yeah, big up the Nigerian giant, bro, the African giant, bro. Yeah. This step and repeat right now, cause this catchy, chorus catchy, vibes catchy. Burna is just Burna, bro. He can't put a foot wrong right now unless he want put a foot wrong. You see me? So Burna, is your time, bro. Big 7. Big up yourself. You see me? Anyway, this is how I'm gonna leave the video. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more from a G, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new, and I will see you in the next one. Big 7. Big 7.